Ever wanted to travel back in time and experience television the way it used to be? Not just watching old shows, but actually using a TV from that era. This website called MyRetroTV lets you relive television from the 1950s all the way to the early 2000s. You can watch TV shows, movies, news, sports all presented through television sets that match each decade. Let's begin. Let's start with the 1950s. The best part about this site is how realistic the interaction feels. You are interacting with a television set that looks and behaves like one from that era. The TV design matches the time period, from the wooden cabinet to the physical knobs and buttons. To turn the TV on, you actually have to click the power button on the TV itself. You change channels by rotating the channel knob, just like people did back then. Volume is also controlled using the volume knob, where you can click on either side to increase or decrease it. There's also an option to select a specific year, and the content updates accordingly. Now, let's move to the 1960s. You'll immediately notice that the TV design changes to match the style of that decade. The shape, layout, and controls evolve, reflecting how televisions looked at that time. In addition to mouse interaction, MyRetroTV also supports keyboard shortcuts, which makes navigation easier. You can use spacebar to turn the TV on or off, plus and minus keys to control volume, arrow keys to change channels. Press F key to go full screen. This keeps the experience immersive while still being convenient. What's really impressive is the attention to detail. When you select a specific year, everything matches that time period. The TV shows, news broadcasts, movies, and even the commercials are all historically accurate to that year. You are not just watching random old clips. You are experiencing a curated snapshot of what television actually felt like during that era, including the pacing, presentation style, and cultural tone of the time. It genuinely feels like stepping into a living room from decades ago. If you enjoy nostalgia, retro technology, or just want to see how television has evolved over the decades, MyRetroTV is definitely worth checking out. It's a simple idea, executed extremely well, and it offers surprisingly immersive way to experience television history. Give it a try and let me know which decade you enjoyed the most. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.